That's from the one only.
Okay.
You know, that's how it go.
Okay, all right.
He let him know real quick. He got 50 straight real quick.
These young people know about records. Yo,
Well, they know because everything is like wiki, right?
No, there's more to it than that.
What is it now? Everything is computerized right now, right?
I see how the crate and go straight back.
Oh, he said he will pull out the crate and go straight vinyl on you. Let him know.
I go straight crate work on you, straight wax. I could do it. Give me 2 techniques and speakers. Straight wax, 12-inch records. I could do it.
My man, he knows what's up. He knows.
know about records. What y'all know about?
She was mad. Y'all, listen. But if we're going to go with what we in this era right now, I'm going to go ahead and say Cookie Lions. I'm going to go ahead and say Cookie from Empire. You watch Empire? Okay. Eric, you watch Empire, don't you?
Cookie.
All right, well, the two of us that actually watch Empire, well, I used to. I don't anymore, but I do know Cookie held it down. So we're going to go with Cookie Lions. So, y'all, what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back at you. District 720 on Lituation Radio.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
You are listening to District 720.
That's how we get out.
On Lituation Radio.
Being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100 real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill, and I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth. My actions being louder than my words. How you so high but still so down to earth? Wanna do it, we can do it on the turf. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the business that I ain't holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but that's where I lay up. The motherfucking layup. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Hey, who the fuck in his ears, boy? OVO, man, we really with the shits, boy. Yeah. Really with the I should probably sign a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Boy, all that Drake, you gotta chill, I be on my little mouse drill, boy, all that rap to pay your bills, yeah, I'm on some rap to pay my bills, all up on TV, I thought it made me richer. Wasn't paying me enough, I needed something quicker. So now I'm all in Nico basement, working on the phones. Either that or drive the money mark to make the pickups. Man, it's 2000.
CJ, hey.
Real quick. Real quick. The 0 to 100, real quick. Who do they call and who was involved? Too focused on people's feedback and proving them wrong. They say the shoe can always fit no matter who for the song. These days feel like I'm squeezing in them. Whoever won before just wasn't thinking big enough. I'm about to leave them with them. Cause if I run the game in these, man, the seams are splitting. No pun intended, but they smelling defeat in the air. Headed where nobody took it, who meeted me there? They tell him that he talking crazy, but he doesn't care. Being humble don't work as well as being aware. Listen up, boy, you better off eavesdropping. We already got spring 2015 popping. P&D dropping, reps up P dropping, Magic Jordan dropping, Obi dropping, not to mention me dropping. Feel like we paid the refs off, man, we fixed the game. Me and Noel been at it before Twitter names. Yeah, been on the move like the lease is up. And I can't even name one person that's keeping up. Damn, how it was in the past tense. Ask yourself, how do we match up now? Cause I'm only 27 and I'm only getting better. If I haven't passed you yet, watch me catch up now, for real.
Could it be the way I will catch up? Could it be the way I will catch up? Could it be the way I will catch up?
Maybe I'm searching for the problems, asking what was said.
Let me
You guys, y'all talked about Reasons so much we had to play it. We had to play Reasons just for that reason, because y'all kept talking about Reasons. But let me give you another reason. I'm going to give you a reason to come out here to, is it 120 Songsmith Drive? Listen, again, we are out here trying to collect donations for the people affected by Hurricane Harvey. We need you to come through. It might be raining outside, but it's nothing compared to what those people have been through. So if this is your lazy Saturday, if you could take a couple of minutes to just grab some canned goods in your pantry or go through some of your kids' clothes that they've outgrown, whatever you can do. Again, I'm going to give you our location. As a matter of fact, I'm going to send you our location. It's 120 Songsmith Drive in Newark, Delaware. Please come through for us. We need you to come through. These people need your help. We need your help. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off of some sweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this 'cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night then. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else.